What if I told you that the very thing you believe makes you attractive is actually making you weak? Most men are getting it completely wrong when trying to impress women. There's one brutal, uncomfortable truth that separates the weak from the strong. And the men who truly master this truth become irresistible, not just to women, but in every area of life. This is a lesson straight from the Stoics, and it could be the most important realization you ever have. Stay with me, because everything you think you know about attraction is about to be challenged. Number 1. What most men get wrong about attraction. For centuries, men have been told that attraction is about looks, status, or wealth. While these things play a role, they are not the foundation of real, lasting attraction. Ancient Stoics like Marcus Aurelius Seneca and Epictetus understood something deeper, something modern men have completely forgotten. Women are not drawn to desperation. They are drawn to self-mastery. Think about it. How often have you seen a man chase a woman, putting her on a pedestal, believing that if he proves himself enough, she will finally give him a chance? Rarely does it work. Here's why: when you seek external validation, you surrender your power. And when you lose power, you lose respect. A woman does not want a man who needs her to feel complete. She wants a man who is already complete within himself. This is the essence of Stoicism. Number 2. The Stoic key to unshakable attraction. The Stoics taught that the highest form of power is self-control, the ability to remain calm, confident, and unmoved by external events. When a man has full control over his mind, his emotions, and his actions, he becomes unstoppable. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." This is the harsh, liberating truth. You do not need validation. Not from women, not from society, not from anyone. The moment you stop seeking approval, you become the prize. Number 3. How to embody this power in real life. Detach from outcomes. Most men tie their self-worth to someone else's response. Whether a woman likes you or not should never define your value. Instead of trying to impress, focus on living a life that matters. Purpose, confidence, and inner balance are magnetic. They draw people to you naturally. Epictetus said, "Freedom is the only worthy goal in life. It is won by disregarding things that lie beyond our control." You cannot control how someone feels about you, but you can control how you carry yourself. 2. Master emotional control. Emotions dictate most men's actions. They get frustrated when ignored, act desperate when noticed. This signals neediness, the ultimate attraction killer. A Stoic man stays composed. Logic guides him, not fleeting feelings. When you control yourself, you control the room. 3. Stop seeking validation. The more you crave approval, the less attractive you are. People sense it instantly. Instead, develop self-confidence that comes from discipline, knowledge, and action, not outside approval. Seneca said, "A wise man is content with himself." Be the man who does not need anyone, yet is wanted by everyone because of his presence. 4. Focus on purpose over pleasure. A man with a mission is unstoppable. When your focus is on something greater than temporary pleasure, you become a force of nature. Women are drawn to men who are driven, not to men who make them the center of their universe. Marcus Aurelius said, "Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one. Stop talking about greatness. Start living it." Number 4. The unshakable man. Here's the truth most men refuse to accept. You do not attract women by chasing them. You attract them by becoming the man they cannot imagine losing. A man who controls his emotions, does not seek approval, and has a purpose greater than himself becomes magnetic. He attracts not only women but respect, opportunities, and success. This is the power of Stoicism. This is how you become truly irresistible. If this lesson resonates, like, subscribe, and share. More importantly, apply it. Become the man who does not need anyone, but is wanted by everyone. What do you think is the most important trait of an unshakable man? Drop a comment below. I want to hear your perspective.